Welcome to the lesson of PowerPoint. In this lesson, we're going to learn how we're going to make a creative, professional PowerPoint presentation slide. Well, we're going to use a lot of some of the basic tools of PowerPoint presentation, and we're going to combine them all together to make a professional looking slide and creative one from scratch. We're not going to use a template or a theme, but we're gonna do and start from scratch. So let's start off by adding in some shapes. So what I'm gonna do is click on insert, go to shapes or maybe icons. That is also doable. Now what I'm gonna do is select the rectangle rounded corners, and I'm gonna add or make some shapes. So I'm gonna do right here and then click on it to make perfect like the corner ones, and I'm gonna turn it around a bit. Now this is quite okay. So I'm gonna do is reduce the size maybe. Okay. Now I'm gonna do is copy all of them. Press on your control key and then just drag it. Okay. Let's make a lot of them, or at least quite a lot, which you can use. Now what I'm gonna do here is let's make 2 more. Okay. Yeah, that's done. Now I'm gonna do is combine them all together. Okay, and make sure that they have no borders. Okay, now I'm gonna increase sizes a bit one by one. Well, it might take some time, but make sure to do it, because if they are all equal, this might not look really good. Okay, say this one. Select this one too. After selecting this one, and we're gonna do is change it a bit. Select this one again. We're gonna make it in a shape so that it looks good. If we have extra ones, just remove it out of the slide. Now start making it shorter, or make it however you find it to be creative. I want to make it like this because I think this is quite attractive, which I found to be. Control this again. I'm gonna make a last short one. Okay, let's make a last one here too. Now what we're gonna do here is, okay, let's remove this, delete. Now I'm gonna select all of them and make sure that they have no borders. So I'm gonna do is no outlines. Make sure they are all connected so you can't see the white lines in between them. And as you have to make sure they are all grouped up next. Now as it is done, now what I'm gonna do is make all of these into a group. Control G to group all of them. Now what we're gonna do is add in a photo in between them. So what we're gonna do is obviously add a photo. So if you want to add a photo, just click on it and format the shape. Now what I'm gonna do is fill. Okay, picture or texture fill, it will go single, but we don't want that. Go undo it, click on this whole thing, then picture or texture fill. Okay, well, these are different, I don't know why, but this should also be equal or the similar. I'm gonna do is undo them again, click all of them if they are grouped together. Okay, not all of them are grouped together. We're gonna select all of them again, maybe zoom out a bit more, and then select all of them to be a group. Control G, Now all of them are grouped, picture or texture fill. Now I'm going to do is insert a photo. I'm going to do stock images again. This time we're going to do is, let's say, concentration. Now I'm going to do is apply a photo which is higher in resolution. If you don't want that, just go to online pictures and this will give you a higher resolution photo. So I'm going to do next is, let's say, house. Now as, okay, let's not do houses because houses don't match that much. So I'm gonna do here select let's say water. Okay, add water. And I'm gonna do select this one. This one looks quite nice, and as it is applied, you will see that this will be applied on here, and now it is quite done. It looks a bit weird, but now that is also done. Now I'm gonna do is change the background a bit. Change the background in a solid color. Let's say this one. Okay, let's change the color of this. This doesn't look that good. I'm gonna do is fill, insert, online pictures, not water. Now I'm gonna do is go down a bit, summer, or maybe sunset. Sunset is also nice. So I'm gonna do is click on sunset, click on this, which looks really good, and it will be applied to this one. Now the last thing what I'm gonna do here is obviously add borders right now. Shape outline, add a bit of a border. If you want to do that, that is also doable. Okay, can see some of the borders are visible. Now what we're gonna do is add in a text. Okay, let's change the color of it a bit. And I'm gonna select eyedropper. Let's say, let's add this one, or maybe, okay, this looks quite good. Now I'm gonna do is add a text. Okay, text box, add a text. Let's say into the sunset. Into the sunset, select all of them. Now change it. Now I'm going to change the color a bit. Or maybe like, let's add white. And you can see now you have a professional and creative looking PowerPoint slide. And you can make a lot more creative ones. So this is one of the basics, how you can make a professional, creative looking PowerPoint slide. So this is it for this video. Hope you understood everything, and thank you for watching this video.